Hello, Nancy. I don't know what I just watched. Random fences, random
Past
signs.
Kew Bridge.
Through a tunnel. As you can see, this area is great for noise and beauty of the trees and London. Where's the next stop again? The next stop is
Chiswick.
Chiswick is our next stop after visiting a very hot day at
Kew.
Kew Gardens. It's like a sauna, especially in the greenhouses.
Now we'll soon be going over the Thames.
And I should describe how much rubbish is in the Thames. My commentators says. Next station is Chiswick. We are now pulling in at over here.
We're nearly there.
And we are now slowing down as we are approaching Chiswick station. A lovely view of people's houses there. Lovely.
Dibby.
We have arrived at Chiswick station. Air zone 3. Random people. Stop.
And this is Chiswick.
And we are now stopped at Chiswick with lovely sign of children using Bunsen burners.
This is Chiswick. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Barnes Bridge.
Oh.
Barnes Bridge.
Then it'll be Barnes, then it'll be
2 minutes 43.
And we're off. You can still move over. Just watch the stickiness.
Very sticky on the floor of the train today.
Yeah, it's just people dropping their cups.
Danger, do not touch the live rail or you will die. Lovely trees here. Don't know what's going on, but there are trees.
Sticky.
Very sticky wicky.
Past the cemetery.
And also I have a bit of hay fever. Random houses and all that stuff.
Someone standing in their garden.
Playing a bit of Fibble. Made a new word. Fibble. But they've all got this weird triangular stuff
Yeah.
in their garden. It all is like houses, fence. Yeah.
Triangular.
Triangular stuff. Past the Riverside Health and Rickets Club in Chiswick. Cars and
The
stuff.
next station is Barnes Bridge.
The next station is Barnes Bridge.
Barnes Bridge.
People walking along the bridge.
There we go, over the Thames. Nice little yacht there.
Lovely nice yacht with some dude sitting there. As you can see, the Thames is going out at the moment. We have a lovely bus going there. Skies of London
There we
clear
pull
today.
into Barnes Bridge. Random people. Random people.
And stop. And we've now pulled in at Barnes Bridge. Fare zone number 3.
Clapham.
Clapham Junction is our stop.
This is Barnes Bridge. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Barnes.
Barnes. Barnes. Please keep behind the yellow line until the train has stopped.
Barnes Bridge.
And we're off. Lovely lamp posts there. CCTV in operation for your safety and protection. We've now entered a area where people are having loads of barbecues. And houses that are 3 stories tall.
Oh, someone playing table tennis in their garden there.
That's nice, isn't it? Having a lovely day.
Oh, what do you think of table tennis, Ben?
Yeah, it's okay. I like Andy Murray last night. It was pretty good.
Well, that's proper tennis.
Yeah, that's what it is, but step well. Table
They
tennis
use
is
bigger
okay.
bats.
Yeah, table tennis is okay.
Someone on their bike.
Having a nice time trying to wait for the train track to be cleared.
The next station is Barnes. Please mind the gap between the
Have you
train
seen
and
that
the
advert
bridge.
when she goes, when they go, I saw most of them beginning with T, and they all guess, and then she stands in the middle of a train track and goes, is it track? And then gets hit by a train.
Ah, no.
Random people,
Oh, more random people.
and lovely random Coke bottles and an information point.
And stop.
Perfect inside the perfect time.
Where to next?
We'll find out very shortly.
In this great railway journeys of South East
This is
England.
Barnes. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Putney.
Next station is Putney.
Putney.
Putney.